Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay that Dringy. We are in a bathroom today. We tried augering out the toilet and was unable to get it cleared. We believe there's something stuck inside. So as you can see the valve down there, we're gonna replace the hose and we're gonna put a retrofit valve in because that one is completely shut. At least then they'll be able to shut off the water properly. So let's see under here. No. Alright. You guys can see how high the water is. It's slowly going down, so we believe there's an object stuck in there. I'm just gonna set that like that because we're probably gonna end up using that. So this wrench here to do this is a 5/8 wrench, and then we're gonna be putting on a 3/8 retrofit shut off from the company Dahl. That's DAHL. That's that one there. All right. We're also going to be replacing that hose. That goes there. All right. For the nuts we use are, these are from Wild or Wildy tool company, and we use a 1/2 inch. We're also going to be putting some new toilet bolts on there. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Logan for a second. So what I like to do a lot of times when the nuts have been cut, when you're taking it off, get a good grip on it, pull up, and you can put tension on that nut and bolt, and it should allow it to be unscrewed. Sometimes you still need to stick your screwdriver in there or stuff like that if that doesn't work. So we are gonna throw the toilet in the bathtub, flip it over, see if we see anything, and if we don't, then we're gonna snake it backwards. So they like to say, lift with your knees, not your back. Get down, crouch down, and get a good firm grip on it. Lift up, and then sit into the toilet. Down, up, and in. All right. So we were pretty positive we were gonna find something in here. So I'll let you guys see. So basically what that is a bathroom strainer for the bathtub or the bathroom sink. We're gonna bring the tenant in and show her. And we're not gonna put her on camera obviously, but we're gonna show her what it is because her kids said they didn't drop anything down. So we gotta show them. I'll show Logan as well. See it down there? Mm-hmm. All right, so that's a strainer that you put in to catch hair. So hold this, just gonna keep it away. Okay. So I think he did it.
He's not well for past 3 to 4 days.
The reason I say that, he came over super quick. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want to say what's in there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, come look. Look down in there.
Oh,
Are you missing that?
actually, we have kept extras here. Maybe it could have fallen down. Oh.
It's not just going to go in the toilet though and flush, right?
No, actually, we have
I understand that, but when it gets dropped in, even by accident, somebody still has to flush that toilet. It's not just going to go by itself.
Definitely, if you have noticed, we could have taken
Exactly.
from hand also. But
An adult would do that.
Yeah. But even I don't know whether he could also have done it because for that potty also it's like...
To me, I don't know for sure. I know there's an object in there, so we got to let the management know. Okay?
Okay.
So, I'm going to need a garbage bag, okay? Like a little trash bag. Thank you very much. Okay. So we got our needle nose pliers. We love these needle nose pliers. They're from Crescent, like the Crescent wrench, Crescent tools, because of this opening right here. Make sure you're able to get down in an object so the handle isn't so wide, I should say. Alright, that's that. So for a second. Alright. So now what we gotta do is try to that. Grab our paper towel. So I'll just give this a little cleanup. And we're going to grab our putty knife and clean up some of this wax. Alright. Now we're just taking out the old bolts. And a little tip for people, if you want your wax to come off your knife easy enough, just put hot water on it like that, and it just slides right off. Alright. That's that. Now we gotta get some new bolts. So we got our pack of bolts there, and our wax gaskets over there. So what we're gonna do, same thing we do most places, we take our old nuts and washers, right? We're gonna slip those on the new bolts, and then we're gonna secure the bolts tightly to the flange. That way it will come off easier next time, and you won't have to lift the toilet and whatnot because it will be secured tightly and the actual bolt won't turn. All right. Again, we got our 1/2 inch wrench there. Just make sure we get it nice and tight. If you guys like this video and you like what we did here, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let us know how we did and if you would do anything different. Nice and tight. Now grab our gasket. our new water supply. Okay. Awesome. There you go. In all one motion, if you can. Lift up, sit down. Plastic washer on, then the brass washer, and then the new nut. And then actually, while we're doing that up, we can hook up the water line. Now we might need to auger this out again. We're not sure. We'll know more when we get everything tight. All right. Water's on, perfect. On this side, plastic washer, brass washer, brass nut. Definitely want to make sure you guys don't over tighten. If you over tighten, you can crack the bowl. I've done enough of that in my time. Actually, if you've changed toilets, let me know down in the comment if you've ever cracked a bowl. Alright. So normally it takes 2 flushes, so we'll see. That's flush number 1. There's flush number 2. Everything looks good. We're just gonna kind of clean up our tools here. Alright guys, we do want to thank you for watching. I'm Jay, that drain guy. That's Logan, that drain guy behind the camera. And until next time, Taragna.